Hello children, hearty welcome to Adarsh Vidyalaya Matriculation Online Classes. Class 8, Subject Hindi, Lesson 3, Topic Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Children, we have gone through this lesson in the last session itself. It's a story about Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. We'll recall the lesson once. So this was the story of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, who is a very talented person. His name is Ishwar Chandra, and Vidyasagar is the title given by the people of Bengal to him because he was a very great and knowledgeable person, and not only knowledgeable and talented person, he was a merciful person also. He cannot see anyone in bad situation or distress. He helped a small boy who came begging to him. He first asked what he will do with the money if he got that money, and after that he gave him 1 rupee, which is a very big amount of that time. And at last the boy went off with the money, and many years passed by. Once when Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was going somewhere, a young man, a young gentleman we can say, came to him and asked Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar to come to his shop. He was a unknown person to Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. But after that, the young gentleman explained about him, and he came to know that he was the same child who came begging to him, and now he was a shop owner and he was living his life very well because of the 1 rupee that Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar gave to him that day. So this is the story, children. We'll move on to our book back exercises. So first Roman is your word meanings. This is already given in your last session also. Just go through the word meanings and write it in your notebooks. First Roman is your word meanings, Shabdat. The second Roman, children, is your question answers. The lesson book back question answers. Now we will go through that question answers. First question, children. विद्यासागर का जन्म कहाँ हुआ? Where was विद्यासागर born? विद्यासागर का जन्म कहाँ हुआ? The answer is विद्यासागर का जन्म बंगाल के एक गांव में हुआ. विद्यासागर was born in a small village of Bengal. Second question, children. उनकी पढ़ाई लिखाई कहाँ हुई? Where he went for his education. उनकी पढ़ाई लिखाई कहाँ हुई? The answer is उनकी पढ़ाई लिखाई गांव की एक छोटी पाठशाला में हुई. His education was done in a small school of that village. The answer is उनकी पढ़ाई लिखाई गांव की एक छोटी पाठशाला में हुई. Next question, children. विद्यासागर ने बच्चे को क्या दिया? What did Vidyasagar give to that child? विद्यासागर ने बच्चे को क्या दिया? The answer is विद्यासागर ने बच्चे को 1 रुपया दिया. विद्यासागर gave 1 rupee to the child. विद्यासागर ने बच्चे को 1 रुपया दिया. Next question, children. युवक ने विद्यासागर से कहाँ चलने के लिए कहा? Where did the gentleman asked विद्यासागर to come with him? युवक ने विद्यासागर से कहाँ चलने के लिए कहा? And the answer is युवक ने विद्यासागर से उसकी दुकान पर चलने के लिए कहा. The gentleman asked विद्यासागर to come to his shop. युवक ने विद्यासागर से उसकी दुकान पर चलने के लिए कहा. The next question is children, विद्यासागर क्यों मुग्ध हो गए? The question is, why was विद्यासागर astonished? विद्यासागर क्यों मुग्ध हो गए? The answer is, विद्यासागर उस बच्चे की बातें सुनकर मुग्ध हो गए. विद्यासागर was astonished by hearing the words of that small child. विद्यासागर उस बच्चे की बातें सुनकर मुग्ध हो गए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन चिल्ड्रन, विद्यासागर कैसे व्यक्ति थे? What type of person was विद्यासागर? And the answer is, विद्यासागर बड़े मेहनती व्यक्ति थे. विद्यासागर was a very hard working person. विद्यासागर बड़े मेहनती व्यक्ति थे. So with this children, your second Roman gets completed. That is, the question answers of this lesson gets over. And now we'll move to the next Roman, third Roman, that is, write true or false. You have already gone through the story, right children? So we'll just see whether it's true or false. First one, विद्यासागर का जन्म दिल्ली में हुआ. विद्यासागर was born in Delhi. Whether it's true or false children? Yes, it's false. He was born in Bengal. Next one children, विद्यासागर बड़े बुद्धिमान थे. विद्यासागर was very talented person. Whether it's true or false children? Yes, it's true. Third one, बच्चे ने विद्यासागर को 1 रुपया दिया. The child gave 1 rupee to Vidyasagar. Whether it's true or false children? No, it's false, because Vidyasagar only gave 1 rupee to the child. The child did not give 1 rupee to Vidyasagar. So it's false. Fourth one children, विद्यासागर उस बच्चे के उत्तर से खुश हुए. विद्यासागर was very happy by the answer given by the child. True or false children? Yes, it's true. He was totally astonished by listening to the answer of that child. Fifth one, विद्यासागर को एक बूढ़े ने प्रणाम किया. An old man wished Vidyasagar. Is it true or false children? Yes, it's false, because a young man only came and wished Vidyasagar, not an old man. Okay children, now we'll move on to our fourth Roman, that is, fill in the blanks. The first one is, तुम भीख क्यों मांगते हो? The second one, क्या तुम्हारे माता पिता नहीं हैं? थर्ड वन, मैं 2 आने के चने खरीद कर खाऊंगा। फोर्थ वन, एक बच्चा भीख मांगते उनके पास आया। फिफ्थ वन, मैं गरीब हूँ, मेरे पिता नहीं हैं। सिक्स्थ वन, इसी दुकान से हमारा गुजारा हो रहा है। So children, the answers over here in the fill in the blanks is given in red with an underline. Just go through the answer. So with this, 4th Roman, your book back exercises for this lesson gets over. Go through all the exercises once again. Learn the meanings, question answers, true or false, fill in the blanks, everything, and write it in your notebook. And also learn the Romans given over here. We'll meet in the next session, children. Thank you.